Today we're going over how to take apart and put back together the Revo 2 by Pride Mobility. We're going to start by taking off this front basket here. It just lifts off. Next we're going to do is take the seat off. I'm going to fold the seat down and the seat just lifts straight up. Now some older models of the Revo had plastic storage compartments underneath. You're going to want to lift those up and pull them to the side. Both of them you want to the side before lifting straight up. The newer models do not have that, so you just lift straight up on the seat. Or if you have the storage compartments, if they're to the side, then you would lift straight up. From here, we're going to take our batteries out. There are two separate batteries. The left one comes out first, you just lift up. Same with the one on the right, just lift straight up. And then from here, I like to hold it up here, and then you have a release lever here. You just lift up on that. Then the front end breaks away and rolls forward. If you need this to fold down to fit it into a vehicle, you can loosen the tiller right here. So you loosen that, fold it down, and then you can tighten it again. There is also a steer lock up front. You push this in. You need the wheels lined up, so you push it in and then turn it. And now you cannot turn the wheels. From here, you can lift this up and slide it into a vehicle. Now I'm going to do this in the opposite. I'm going to loosen this again. Pick it up. I'm going to keep the steer lock on just to make it a little easier to line up. But I'm going to grab the handle here, and then there are two green lines we're going to line up. There we go. And then once they're lined up, you just drop it. It should snap into place. And now we're going to put the batteries in the opposite way we took them out. The right battery goes in first. Then the left battery follows. And our seat goes back on. Just line up this post. It should snap into place. Finally, our basket just sits up front. This has been how to take apart and put together your Revo 2 by Pride Mobility. If you like this product or you have any other questions, please give us a call.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.